Found it, folks. We can put this right in here and voila. Wow, that holds quite a bit of stuff. So let's go ahead and zip it up and boom, then it's ready for you to just throw in a backpack with all your cables. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the Native Union WFA. No idea what that stands for, Tech Organizer. So without further ado, let's get this guy out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it's barely a box though, because we can see and feel the actual organizer itself. It's got the name of it on the front. Over here on the back, it actually does say what WFA stands for. It says work from anywhere. And yeah, anyway, let's just open this up. There we go, we can open it. And let's see what's inside. So it looks like we just got a big pouch. It says Native Union. And do we have any other pouches? No, this keeps it pretty simple. But we do have some pouches on the inside right here. So we've got one there, and one here. And then over here on the other side, we got one here, and ooh, is that silica gel? I've got some Apple USB-C wall bricks. Let's put these inside. Maybe we can put one right here. Okay, that fits pretty well. We can put one right here. And then I've also got this bigger Apple wall brick, USB-C of course. We can put that here as well. And then I've got an Apple MagSafe charging puck. We can put that right here. And then we've got a Apple USB-C to Lightning cable. We can put this here as well. And maybe I didn't wrap this small enough, but it looks like it still fits. And then also I've got an iPhone. Where did I put that? Found it, folks. We can put this right in here. And voila, wow, that holds quite a bit of stuff. So let's go ahead and zip it up and boom, then it's ready for you to just throw in a backpack with all your cables nice and organized and even an iPhone as well. So yeah, very simple accessory right here. Let's see if I can zip it shut all the way. Very simple, but also effective. So anyway, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about this little tech organizer right here from Native Union. If you guys want it for yourselves, it will set you back about $40. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this tech organizer. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it for yourselves? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.